Good night. My name is Simon Vélez Correa. Shows strategy, backward integration. General definition. Backward integration is a form of vertical integration whereby the company integrates its operation with the supplier or supply side of the business. Strategy proposal for the house. Why is strategy? What is so is to have partners that allow and promote the performance of the company, and as a strategy part is to check that this partnership be directed by the supplier of Diamond Supermarket. This strategy will allow as the half of its main supplies, which are the main protagonists, because the salon and the availability of the merchandise to the available to the public. They will become credits and promoters of the supermarket, being when more competitive. Uh, in turn, its products are a strategy driven by which there is growth on both sides. Thank you.